What's up, Sam?
Did you forget? It's my first day at the cool slime school! And I have nothing ready! I was looking for my backpack, but I found only this purse.
These won't fit into it anyway.
So now I'm gonna have to carry all this stuff all day?
Yeah, that's not very convenient. Wait a second, I have an idea. Come on. Hey guys, today we're gonna make a school locker organizer for our Sammy. We'll start with the locker itself, and then we'll add some useful things to it.
I'm ready to build anything, even the school itself, and you can go there with me.
Why don't we start with the foam board?
Easy peasy. One hit and we'll get it done. Ha! I don't need any tools for that. Hi-ya!
Sam, what are you doing?
Showing off my karate skills, of course. Call me if you need anything else to be done in no time.
Will do. You know that I can do nothing without you. Later, I'm gonna need your help again. Now we should put these pieces together with the help of this.
I know you, glue gun. You're dangerous. I'll fight you. Just let me get my sword first.
Don't worry, Sammy. I'll be careful, and it won't hurt me.
Just when I was in the right mood. All right, then I'll bring you more pieces for the locker.
That's your best decision ever. And the base for our locker is done. A bit more glue.
Susie, no offense, but a white locker is boring.
No kidding.
Well, of course.
I'm sure we'll come up with something. Hop.
Sue, our locker definitely needs a shelf inside. Here, take this.
Oh, great. But before we put it in its place, let's come up with some decor.
If you ask me, it should be pink. I just need to find the right shade. Should it be light pink or pinkish pink? That's tough.
Guys, while Sammy's thinking, give us a thumbs up and stay tuned. The best part is yet to come.
Sue, there are so many colors that I like. I think I'm lost without your help.
Oh, this one suits you so well. But this sheet is too big. Let's work on it a bit.
Come on, Sue. That will take you forever. Let's use some magic.
You're a genius.
I know I am.
Let's get to it. That's better. Now we have everything that we need.
Yay! It's time to start my favorite part of any craft.
Guys, we're almost done. Just one step left.
Sue, check it out! I prepared this for you.
Wow, I really like these stripes. Let's glue it right now.
That means my locker's already done? Wait a second. Where did I put it? Sue, can you help me find that piece?
You mean this?
Yeah!
And the shelf goes right here.
Sue, I've just noticed that we missed a spot here.
No, we didn't.
I got it. Here, Sue.
Thanks, Sam. You read my mind.
Guys, we need to mount the door and hide the tape behind the panel.
Just don't rush at this step.
But it's so hard! Sue, I can't wait to get my organizer ready. Can you just use magic again?
We can't use magic all the time, Sammy.
Then I'll go and make something for the craft, too. Speed things up a notch. Sue, check out what I made. I'm sure you can use these.
Let me see. You're right. Guys, can you guess what this is?
Now our foam board locker really looks like the real deal.
You don't say. Do you like it, guys? Or should we add something else?
We didn't use this pretty paper and I like it so much.
Why don't we put it on the inner side of the door?
That's brilliant! Like a dream come true! Oh, I already see how I'm going to fill it up!
We need a handle.
A handle! That I can do! I will do my best, I promise. You know, Samuel the Great can do anything! Wait, where was I going?
To my room to bring me a gift baggie.
Do you mean this one? But why do you need it? Is it for me?
Sammy, it's not a gift. It's just there's some stuff for the locker in there. Like this, to make sure that you always look great.
So it's not just stuff, Susie. These are super functional things for our locker.
The bag itself will go right here.
That looks good. Could you put some stickers here as well?
Will this place be good?
Shiver me cheddars, it's terrific!
Here comes one more touch.
Sue, I've just realized that I didn't bring you that handle that I promised.
Don't worry, Sammy. It's right here. Great! We finished our school organizer. Let's see what we can put inside it.
Sue, I have a huge problem. An unsolvable one. I can't choose only one sticker out of all of these.
Don't worry, Sammy. I know exactly what to do. How do you like it?
Shiver me, how come I didn't come up with that? So, what's next on the list?
Something to put in here.
I need a second. I had them somewhere. Aha! These guys are coming with me! Isn't it the best place for my pens and pencils?
Well, Sammy, do you like it?
I super like it.
But we might need some kind of drawers for smaller things. Oh, I think I know. We'll use these to solve the problem. Sam, I need some colored paper.
Here it is, my lady. What are you up to?
Watch me, but I'm gonna go with craft magic for this. Great, that's more like it. Guys, remember that you may use any colors you want.
By the way, this is not our first organizer, people. You can check out our channel for more. How is that going, Sue?
See for yourself.
Ooh, I'm coming! Well, I like these colors. You may proceed.
And this is it. Now they are glued together.
I think we need to envelop that whole construction with this nice colored paper.
This side will match better. But how will we open them?
I have several beads here. Maybe we can use them somehow.
Let's see. We'll glue them here. Yep, these are perfect.
Hurry up, Sue! My school day's about to begin and we still have a few things to do. Whoa!
Be cool, Sammy. We're almost there. Every student needs their notebooks. Let's make some. Traditional shape is not for us. Our notebooks will be round.
Good macaroons! Sue, give me that cup! I want to draw some nice circles, too.
But this might take a while. Should we use some magic then? Up. Our circles are ready.
You also need this, Sue! Wait, there's more! Here you go, Sue!
Thank you, Sammy. You are very kind. We just need to cut them out. Voila! Now they are perfect.
Guys, did you know that foam paper is an interesting material that changes if you heat it up? But you must be very attentive and careful working with it. Haha, they look like hats. I should have one in the organizer for the school's official events.
If you say so, but I thought you had plenty of hats.
Not like that one. Schools have rules, and about hats as well. Now give me some room. The artiste is working. All done.
This is awesome, Sammy. We'll put it right here. And this one goes here. But I have one more idea for a notebook of an interesting shape.
Sam the magician will help you get what you want.
No thanks, I'm good actually.
Oh, I didn't see that coming. And keep working, and I have some urgent things to do. See ya!
This notebook will come with a surprise. Simple Dimple style.
Good macaroon, Sue. I'm so nervous. Tell me that we're done already.
There you go. Nobody has a school locker like this. What a great organizer. Now my new notebook is always at hand.
Phew, my books are too heavy. I'll put them in here for a while. Ah, that's better.
No, Sammy. That's the locker for my things.
But Sue, we were making that organizer for me.
Sorry, Sammy. It turned out so cool I couldn't resist.
Don't worry. Next time we will make a wonderful organizer for you, right guys?
Ah, deal. We hope that you will join us then, guys. See you soon. Bye-bye.